Good afternoon everyone, this is Zach Harris here from Profits for Wealth Financial Trading School, and today is 20th of February 2017 and it's coming up to afternoon time. Now don't forget, today is Monday, which means today is analysis time. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna jump right in. I'm gonna show you what positions I'm looking for, what securities I'm keeping a close eye, and what positions I'm looking to get involved in. Okay guys, so I'll jump right in now. So the very first security I'm looking at, which is FTSE100. As you can see here, I'm looking at FTSE100 chart, and I have drawn this line which is at the price of 7334. This is the line of 7334, and this line is our resistance level. Means the markets actually try to get up there and try to break through that price, but they couldn't. So that price is acting as a price barrier for us. So after that we had a bearish bar on 16th of the February, and then after that we had bullish bar on the 17th, and right after the weekend today we had a slight bearish bar, but it all depends how today's bar is gonna close. If today's bar gonna close well below the previous green bar, let's say at the price of in around 7270 and 7260, if it closes in around that price, I will be getting involved in FTSE to drop, and I will be looking to capture roughly about not 200, about 150, 170 points. And the previous resistance level means the previous price barrier, which we have 7334, will act as our support level, and that price I will set my stop loss control. So if the market turn against me and rise above that price of 7334, I will instantly close my trade. So this is one of the trades I'm looking at and keeping a close eye on. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna jump onto euro versus euro. So now we're looking at euro versus GBP. As you can see, I have drawn a trend line here, the blue line. As you can see, every time euro versus GBP, when euro gets close to that line, it bounce and rise back up. Same thing happened there. Same thing. This trend line is acting as our support level. But unfortunately, previously when it rise back up, we had a really small bar. We didn't have a reversal trend on the 14th of February, which means it was a Valentine's Day, and it didn't really act as a reversal trend. So I'm just waiting on this bar to see if it's gonna bounce from that resistance, support level. From that support level, if it's gonna bounce from that price and rise back up, I will be looking to get involved in that market. So these are the two securities I'm keeping a close eye. Now there's another market that I am keeping a close eye, which I haven't traded on in a very long time, but it's looking very good to drop, and it is Australian 200. At the moment it's trading on 5797, and we had a resistance level. If I were to actually move this line well above, let me just show you on the screen, there you go. So this line would act as our support with resistance level, because 5821, this is the price, and it all depends how it's going to close today. We've got a really strong three days of 1, 2, 3 days that it actually 4 days it couldn't close above, and look at what happened previously. 1, 2, 3, 4 days and then dropped. It's usually actually worked as a couple of days, few days. As you can see, this back if you go back in the month of October last year, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 days it couldn't break that price above and drop back down. So usually when it comes to support and resistance levels, it's about 3 or 4 days. Once they actually can break that barrier, either to go up or go down, they usually actually drop back down, and I've been trading on this method for over a decade now. So guys, this is another indice and another security that I'm keeping a close eye. So these are three actually major markets that I'm keeping a close eye: FTSE 100, Euro versus GBP, and Australian 200. Guys, thanks very much for watching this clip. If you like this channel, do not forget to subscribe. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to email me and I'll be more than happy to get back to you ASAP. Thanks very much and have a great day. Bye bye.